Hey, how's it going? Here's a quick review on the Happbuy Collapsible Wagon. Heavy duty, solid wheels. What I like about it is that it's real easy to collapse. Check it out. And just like that, it's gone into the truck. So it's as easy as that. This did not come with it. It does come with an extra storage to put your belongings. We have it, and it also has a detachable canopy, which it's nighttime. We were using it in the mall. We didn't really want to use it, but I've used it at the beach. It attaches to these corners real easy. You could tow it. You could adjust it. And you could also adjust it through this push handle. You know, if you want the little ones to help you, or if you just need to leverage it. Real easy. Came in camouflage, just like that. Recommended.